Title: Boost Your Bedtime Routine, the 30-minute pre-sleep elixir. In the quest for a restful night's sleep, the final moments before bed are crucial. While winding down, it's essential to nourish the body with the right blend of nutrients to promote relaxation and support sleep quality. Enter the 30-minute pre-sleep elixir, a simple yet powerful mixture designed to soothe the body and mind before bedtime. In this article, we'll explore the ingredients of this bedtime elixir and how incorporating it into your nightly routine can transform your sleep experience. The ingredients: bananas. Bananas are a rich source of potassium and magnesium, two minerals known for their relaxation properties. Potassium helps regulate muscle function, while magnesium plays a crucial role in promoting calmness and reducing stress. Consuming a banana before bed can help relax muscles and prepare the body for sleep. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and calcium, which can help regulate melatonin production, the hormone responsible for controlling sleep-wake cycles. Additionally, the amino acid tryptophan found in yogurt can contribute to the production of serotonin and melatonin, promoting relaxation and sleep. Almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse of nutrients, including magnesium and healthy fats. Magnesium helps relax muscles and regulate neurotransmitters involved in sleep regulation. The healthy fats in almonds provide sustained energy throughout the night, preventing blood sugar fluctuations that can disrupt sleep. Honey. Honey is a natural source of carbohydrates that can help increase insulin levels and promote the release of tryptophan in the brain. This can lead to the production of serotonin and melatonin, promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Additionally, honey has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the throat and promote restful sleep. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming and sleep-inducing properties. It contains flavonoids like apigenin, which bind to receptors in the brain and promote relaxation. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can help reduce anxiety, soothe the nervous system, and prepare the body for sleep. The recipe. To prepare the 30-minute pre-sleep elixir, simply combine the following ingredients: 1 ripe banana, sliced 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon almonds, chopped 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup chamomile tea, brewed and cooled. Mix the banana slices, Greek yogurt, chopped almonds, and honey in a bowl. Sip on the chamomile tea alongside the mixture, allowing its soothing properties to enhance the elixir's effectiveness. Consume this mixture 30 minutes before bed to reap its full benefits. The benefits: promotes relaxation. The combination of potassium, magnesium, and tryptophan-rich ingredients helps relax muscles, calm the nervous system, and promote a sense of tranquility before bed. Supports sleep quality. By providing nutrients that support the production of serotonin and melatonin, the pre-sleep elixir can help regulate sleep-wake cycles and improve overall sleep quality. Balances blood sugar. The healthy fats and carbohydrates in the elixir provide sustained energy throughout the night and prevent blood sugar fluctuations that can disrupt sleep. Soothes digestion. Greek yogurt and honey contain probiotics and soothing properties that can promote healthy digestion and prevent discomfort that may interfere with sleep. Incorporating into your routine. To incorporate the pre-sleep elixir into your nightly routine, set aside 30 minutes before bed to prepare and enjoy the mixture. Create a calming environment by dimming the lights, practicing deep breathing or meditation, and avoiding electronic devices that emit blue light. Savor the elixir slowly, allowing its nourishing properties to prepare your body and mind for a restful night's sleep. Conclusion: the 30-minute pre-sleep elixir offers a simple yet effective way to enhance your bedtime routine and promote restful sleep. By combining nutrient-rich ingredients that support relaxation and sleep quality, this elixir can help you unwind from the day's stresses and prepare your body and mind for rejuvenating sleep. Incorporate this soothing ritual into your nightly routine and experience the transformative power of a good night's sleep.